My name's Brittany Voss. I'm a mixed practice vet, mainly focusing on livestock located in Naracoorte. And for the past 6 years, I've had a strong focus on footrot management and eradication. So footrot is a contagious bacterial disease of sheep and goats that causes damage to the sole of the foot with underrunning of the horn and severe lameness. So normally it's characterised by mob lameness, so it's not something that we sort of associate with one or two sheep, it's something that affects the entire mob. So what we're looking for to diagnose footrot, the bacteria starts by causing a dermatitis between the toes. So you're looking for redness, sweating and moisture between the two toes, and there might be quite a distinctive smell associated with that. And then as the disease expresses, you'll notice that the sole of the foot actually starts to lift off, and this is what we call underrunning. And it can progress to the point where you basically have a really smelly black discharge coming from the bottom of the foot, and there can be maggots associated with that as well. You know, often sheep will have more than one foot affected, but it's certainly not uncommon just to have one foot affected by footrot. So yeah, we always make sure that we examine all 4 feet before making a diagnosis. Once you've had a diagnosis of footrot made, there is the option for producers either just to manage footrot annually on farm or choose to eradicate the bacteria from their property. So under the new program, footrot still remains notifiable, but there is a lot more marketability and market access for both ewes and lambs. So what that means is that there's less of an impact in terms of saleability for producers that are found to have footrot. And so to make that decision, we do encourage people to seek a vet advisor or PIRSA agent that's experienced with footrot management. So in terms of productivity impacts, generally accepted that virulent footrot causes 10 to 20% lost production, which is, you know, a really big value when you can be doing everything else right and still losing that level of production. It's considered a very high animal welfare concern just due to the level of pain, lameness, and often the sheep that are affected are in poor condition.